Cecilia, and this is Max. Welcome to Cecilia and Max's Lego Review. Today we are going to do another episode of Legos for Kids. Today we are going to review Olivia's Hamster Playground, number 41383. It has 81 pieces, and it's 6+, and it is the Lego Friends series. So I chose this because, well, again, we were looking for friends, and it has hamsters, and I thought they were really cute. And also, this has Olivia in the new version, and I don't have that figure yet. So this is the box, and we're going to open it up and build it. Remember to give us a thumbs up below if you like Legos like us. And watch until the end to see our positives and negatives about Olivia's Hamster Playground. Opening time!
Opening time!
We just poke it. That's a little messy, but... So here we have bag 1, bag 2, and instructions. And some stickers. Nothing really. What? Did you fold it?
No.
Oh, it was folded. Okay. Aww, the hamsters are so cute, but I can only see 2 hamsters. Oh, okay, I can see. So you can build Olivia, the new Olivia.
You build Olivia.
Okay, I'll build Olivia. And look at the hamsters. And I think that's a mouse. Aww. The hamsters and the mouse. I don't know if this is a mouse, but it has whiskers, unlike the other two.
What if this is? Please going away.
That is a what? I can't see what it is. Oh, it's a lever.
I want to attempt something like stickers.
Okay, here you go.
Stickers.
Okay. Oh no. Let's put the stickers aside because we don't need them.
No.
Max.
Okay.
Oh wait, let's sort it. Okay, we already did that. Next page. Okay. Are you sure that's the? Yeah, that's the.
One.
So first we take this and we put a flower on.
One.
Yeah. And then we put this on here, and then we put this like a silver circle on. Okay. And then we take it's so flimsy. Do we lose a piece?
No help.
Wait, do we need help?
No. I got it.
So, and then you can put one of the hamsters on. Oh wait, there's fake wheels? Oh, it's supposed to be fake wheels. No. Alright. It's a cart, like a little hamster cart. But it has fake wheels. And then we take this and then where's this ladder? There's supposed to be a ladder sort of thing. There it is. Then we take this. And wait, what? No, not this one.
Number one.
This one.
This one.
Yeah. And put it here. And I'll do the second one.
Put it this way.
Okay, I'll show.
This way.
Yeah. No. Wait, let me show you.
Ah.
Now you can do it on the other side. Okay. While Max is doing that, I'll just do another thing. Okay. Like that. And then you can... Okay, that's good. Now you can put this on here. Okay. Yeah, like that. Yeah, good. And now we need... Oh yeah, now we're making the fancy spinny wheel. Okay, there we go. Now you flip, and let's see what's next. Do you want to do another sticker? Okay, just calm down.
What sticker I do?
This one. 4.
What I do?
4. This one. Yeah. Yeah. Goes here.
What? Where? Do?
Yeah. Yes.
This is. I want to do a cloud. Not breaking.
Alright.
I'm not doing the dress.
Now we
How
put
would do this?
this, and then we have a lever.
Stop.
Yeah.
How would do this?
How we do what?
This.
Do what? Oh, that's for the wheels.
I don't. How would do this?
I don't know either. We'll have to look at the instructions. Okay. Spinny wheel. Okay. Next we take this and we put this here. So Max.
I can go something. Whoa.
Do you like Friends, Max? Like there's like a show for Friends. I watched some of the episodes, I think. It's a good yeah. Okay, I'm trying to figure out how you put this on. How do you put this on? For some reason, when it's clear, like, it's harder to put on. Like the Lego piece when it's clear. Okay, try now. Oh, okay, I put it on.
Sasa!
Yeah.
No.
Okay, now we're making a what? Now we're doing this. All right. Now you turn it around, and now you can make like a. It looks like a kind of design. All right. And then we put I've never been to a carnival, but for some reason this kind of like, see how you have to do it like that. It kind of looks like a carnival style. I call it carnival style for some reason. Max is playing already and it's not even finished. That's okay. Alright.
No.
Yeah, nice. Okay, so now we take these. Okay, you want to do one?
That? How that?
You didn't lose any. Where's the gray hamster? Oh, these hamsters are so cute. I don't think you can see.
One more.
That's the first one. And then there's the other one. And then the last one looks more of like a mouse. But then he's so cute. He has like whiskers. Cute little hamster. Okay, help me. Oh, can you pick that up?
One.
Yeah, pick it up.
Okay.
Let's see.
One down.
You just need.
That's my drop.
Wait. Let me put it on. Let me put it
Let me
on.
put that one on.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
I don't know though.
Mommy's coming. Okay.
No.
Okay. I'm just doing as the instruction says. Okay. Next page.
I want to do it.
Okay. Now we're going to make it be able to spin. Okay, he can just. Okay, so we take this, then we take these two.
Making something. What did all stickers?
Yeah. Oh, except one. But we don't need that sticker yet. Okay, now where is the? Oh no. You put it on the wrong side. Hams.
This is a wheel. Sasha, this is a wheel.
Yeah, it's like a wheel. And where's the ground?
Wait. Sasha, this is a wobbly.
Oh, wait. Wait. We put this. We need. Okay. That's okay. Let's put it on again. Alright. And now we put it through here. So we take this, I need the wheel. And then
This is a vroom vroom.
there's barely in space like get it. Okay, there we go. I don't know where the last sticker goes. I'm building the
motorcycle.
Yeah, I'm making the motorcycle or whatever you call it.
A motorcycle gone a free cycle. That is right.
It's not a motorcycle, it's a fake camera. Some handle. I think it's a camera. Oh no, it's a mini hamster thing. Okay. How do I put this on? Oh, did I miss something?
No.
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 This goes here.
This go there.
Wait 1 sec. Okay, this goes here.
Okay.
This goes here. And this goes here. Then this goes here. And then you can put the sticker on. Okay, it's like a mini. Before you put on the sticker, let me just. Yeah, okay, now you can. And then you put it all, and then you put okay, so we have a lot of extra pieces. We're almost done. I know these are extra pieces because pretty much there's only one step. Okay, finished figure for this, you see. Okay. Then there's like this the sign. Okay, it's a little too close. Okay, there you go. There's the sign. Then there are like these cones, and then there's this car, and then there's the slide. Then there's this. Then there's this guy, and then there's this. And now Max is going to play, and I'm going to give you the positives and negatives about this set. So for the positives, there are so many ways to play with this set and the hamsters. There are 3 hamsters in Olivia, and one of them might be a mouse. And the hamster wheels spin. For the negatives, the set does not come with bows or sunglasses. Olivia is not the original Olivia. 3. The robot that Olivia works with is missing in this set. But the real question is, would I buy it again? Yes, I would, because all those negatives I just listed, I can just fix them by like replacing stuff and like adding new stuff. And this is actually a really good set, so I definitely recommend this. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up below if you like Legos like us. And watch our video next week and subscribe.